Most respected Principal Dr. A.K. Mishra, Vice Principal Sri Sham Nikko, Headmaster Sri T.K. Jaiswal, all the esteemed colleagues, all the parents, and the most adorable students of KV number 1 Dev Road, very good morning to one and all. Today, 1st April, the day is celebrated as Odisha Day, also Utkal Divas. Being a partnering state in Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, we are very much delighted to have this celebration on this auspicious day. So, on behalf of KV number 1 Dehu Road, I welcome you all. Let us unfold the vibrant celebration with Ankita and Zui. Over to Ankita.
Orissa Day, also known as Utkal Divas, is celebrated every year on 1st of April in the memory of formation of the state as a separate state out of Bihar and Orissa province. Utkal Divas, the day of remembrance of all Oriya people, helps them to be united. Good morning to all the dignitaries and delegates. With great joy and immense exultation, we feel privileged to extend our warm welcome to all present here. Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat aims to enhance the mutual understanding and interaction between different states through the concept of state pairing. So therefore, let us celebrate this Utkal Divas with our parent state Orissa.
तो सर्वप्रथम आ रहे हैं हमारे विद्यालय के कुछ विद्यार्थी जो मराठी भाषा में स्वागत गीत की प्रस्तुति करेंगे।
Thank you for the wonderful performance. Good things come to people who wait, but better things come to people who go out and get them. So let us welcome Sanchita of grade 10 to express her views on Orissa Day.
As we all have Vande Mataram as our national song, similarly, we have a Odia anthem written by Kantakavi Lakshmikant Mohapatra, Vande Utkal Janani. Vande Utkal Janani, चारुभासमय चारुहासमय चारुभासमय जननी 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 वन्दे उत्कल जननी वन्दे उत्कल जननी. With this very beautiful song, today we are going to celebrate Odisha Day, which is specially known as Utkal Divas. ଆଜି ଆମେ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଦିନ ପାଳନ କରିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛୁ, ଯାହାକୁ ଉତ୍କଳ ଦିବସ ମଧ୍ୟ କୁହାଯାଏ. Utkal Divas or Utkal Divas is celebrated on April 1 every year to remember the formation of the Odisha state after a struggle to be recognized as an independent state. प्रति वर्ष 1 अप्रैल रे ओडिशा दिन ओडिशा का सबसे फेमस जगन्नाथ पुरी टेम्पल ओडिशा रो सबुठु फेमस जगन्नाथ पुरी टेम्पल जहाँकि सब वर्ष आनंदर रथ यात्रा मना जाए. In this place, Jagannath Puri, every year Rath Yatra is held. Utkal plus Kala. First word, Utkarsh meaning excellence. Utkal meaning excellence and Kala meaning skilled craft. It is believed that Utkal refers to coastal and northern part of Kalinga Empire. Therefore, Odisha was also known as Utkal. Odisha is also known as the sole heritage of our country. Utkal plus Kala is equals to Utkal. उत्कଳର ପ୍ରଥମ ଶବ୍ଦ ଉତ୍କର୍ଷ ଅର୍ଥ ଉତ୍କର୍ଷ ଏବଂ କଳା ଅର୍ଥ କୁଶଳୀ ଶିଳ୍ପ. ଏହା ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରାଯାଏ ଯେ ଉତ୍କଳ କଳିଙ୍ଗ ସାମ୍ରାଜ୍ୟର ଉପକୂଳ ଏବଂ ଉତ୍ତର ଭାଗକୁ ବୁଝାଏ. ତେଣୁ ଓଡ଼ିଶାକୁ ଉତ୍କଳ ବି କୁହାଯାଉଥିଲା. ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଏହାର ସଂସ୍କୃତି ଏବଂ ଐତିହ୍ୟ ହେତୁ ଭାରତର ପ୍ରାଣ ଭାବରେ ବି ଜଣାଶୁଣା. Famous foods of Odisha. Pakhala Bhata, a lunch staple for almost every household in state of Odisha. Pakhala Bhata offers a delectable respite from the summer heat, made from soaking cooked rice in sour curd and water. This dish is served with fried fish, potatoes, badi chura and papad on the side. Pakhala Bhata Odisar सबुठु जनाशुना खाइबार जिनस, जहाकू गरम मासरे बहुत भल भाबरे खा जाए. The next food that we are going to see is Chhenapoda, cheesecake of Odisha. Chhenapoda, baked for hours at a stretch, this dish is made from burnt homemade cottage cheese, sugar, syrup and semolina. Chhenapoda जहा की चीज रो बना जाए तेहा खाइबाकू मीठा भी लागे. Pitha, Chakuri Pitha. It is made from black gram cereal and is crispy delight to munch on during your trip. Poda Pitha is a great tasting delicacy known for its rich texture prepared during festivals. This variant of Pitha has a nice smelling aroma. Kakra Pitha, made from semolina, cardamom and grated coconut. This sweet fritter is a popular dish of Odisha. Pitha, Pitha to Odisha ra jibana. चकुली पिठा, पोड़ पिठा, काकरा पिठा, ये सब पिठा आमर सब भावना मात्रा रे खाया जाए. जहाँ भी हो पिठा न हेले खाइबा संपूर्ण हुए ना. Odissi dance. Odissi dance is the major ancient Indian classical dance that originated in the Hindu temples of Odisha, an eastern coastal state of India. In its history was performed predominantly by women. Odissi performances have also expressed ideas of other traditions such as God Shiva and Surya as well as Hindu goddess Shaktism. Odissi नृत्य हेउछि एक प्राचीन भारतीय शास्त्रीय नृत्य रूप जहाँकि ओडिशार हिंदू मंदिर रे उत्पन्न एवं ओडिसी प्रसन्न अन्य परंपरा एवं धर्म मध्य को प्रकाश करिछि, जेपरिकि हिंदू देवता विष्णु एवं सूर्य एवं हिंदू देवी शक्ति सहित जड़ित. Now here are some famous temples of Odisha. Jagannath Temple of Odisha, the most popular one. Ma Taradarini Temple, Shakti Pithas. Sun Temple, 13th century architecture. Lingaraj Temple, the largest in Odisha. Brahmareshwar Temple, mythological stories. Gundicha Temple, district Kalinga. Mukteshwar Temple, elaborately carved structures. जगन्नाथ टेम्पल जहाँकि बहुत मन भाव जगन्नाथ बलभद्रा सुभद्रांकर रूप जहाँरे आमको जगन्नाथ पुरी रे देखा मिले माँ तारातारिणी टेम्पल माँ तारातारिणी मंदिर जहाँकू माँ तारिणी जहाँ जेपरी आमको सेठी मिलती सन टेम्पल सूर्य टेम्पल यह कि आमको लिंगराज टेम्पल पाखरे ही मिले ब्रह्मरेश्वर टेम्पल यह गोटे भ्रमर टेम्पल जहाँकि तुमको भुवनेश्वर स्थित मिल धन्यवाद एवं आप समस्त उत्कल दिवसर अनेक अनेक अभिनंदन थैंक यू।
इस रोचक एवं ज्ञानप्रद भाषण के बाद बारी है हमारे विद्यालय के प्राथमिक विभाग के कुछ विद्यार्थियों की, जो अब हम सबके समक्ष ओडिशा का सामूहिक नृत्य प्रस्तुत करेंगे।
One fantastic performance. Dance is the most beautiful form of expression of human feelings. Now you will witness another amazing performance by the secondary and senior secondary sections. Now let us welcome the dance groups.
आनंदमय नृत्य प्रस्तुति के बाद आ रहे हैं हमारे विद्यालय के आदरणीय शिक्षक श्री गोविंद मुंडे सर, जो अपने ओजस्वी शब्दों से हमें प्रेरित करेंगे।
Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, HM Sir, parents, teachers and students, Namaskar. Apna kemti achanti? I mean, how are you? India is a wonderful nation. And when I say India is a wonderful nation, I see that we have linguistic, cultural, ecological and religious diversity and homogeneity much more than any other country on the planet Earth. And for that matter, even if we take the whole universe into consideration, India would remain on top there also with its unique identity and fantastic structure. In the process of nation building, the states and the people living therein contributed a lot with their own unique identity. They have been engaged with one another in the sphere of language, literature, cuisine, festival, cultural events, tourism and trade since antiquity. Mutual understanding and the sense of cultural integration would take India further to accomplish the cherished dream of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The idea of cultural connection mooted by Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi came into existence in the form of Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat. The idea is to pair the state with another state in India and carry out a set of activities. So we are here celebrating today Odisha Divas, which is a part of these activities. Odisha, the pet state of Maharashtra, is paradise of glory and greatness, from art and culture to flora and fauna, from temples and sculptures to lakes and beaches, from trade and industries to heritage sites and pilgrimage. The list is endless. The state is home to over thousands of species of plants, hundreds of species of birds and animals. Chilika Lake, the largest wintering ground for migratory birds in India, is the first wetland of international importance under Ramsar Convention, which was designated due to its rich biodiversity. Located on the eastern coast of India, Odisha is surrounded by the states of West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The state was established on 1st April 1936, so we are here celebrating Odisha Divas today. Biju Patnaik, Lakshmi Panda, Sarla Devi, Veer Surendra Sai and many more freedom fighters from Odisha contributed a lot and fought for the freedom of India. Odia, which got the classical language status in 2014, is the main language spoken in Odisha. Odisha is also known for sharing its land with 62 tribes which mainly survive on agriculture, fishing, farming and hunting. Tribes like Kond, Sauras, Bondas, Santals, Bhumiyas and so on serve as the soul of the state. Odisha offers a lot of sightseeing opportunities to travelers and visitors from across the globe. Puri, one of the Char Dhams, is famous for Lord Jagannath temple and the scenic sites. Bhubaneswar with Lingaraj and Rajarani temple. Cuttack, the cultural capital of the state with its cultural activities like Baliyatra. Konark with Sun temple, heritage site, attract tourists with its magic. Beaches like Puri, Gopalpur, Chandrabhaga and many more with its silver sand, crystalline blue sky and the calm water give visitors a relaxing and wonderful experience. And how can I forget to mention appetizing cuisine of the state with its scrumptious dishes on the sal leaf plates enticing you with their aroma. Pakala bhat, pahla rasagola, gupchup, chena poha, pilaf or pulao and many more delicious dishes can thrill your taste buds and satiate you. And once you are satiated, you will definitely love to listen music. And here also the state provides you with a variety of melodious music including Odissi, the traditional classical music of the state and other tribal, folk and light music with its own distinct style. With the same name Odissi, the classical dance of the Odisha is believed to be the oldest surviving dance form in the country. As I said, Odisha is a wonderful state. It is quite impossible to describe it in such a short span of time. Still, I believe I have ignited your curiosity about the state and hope that you will engage with it with more enthusiasm and contribute in fulfilling sacrosanct dream lies behind this program. Thanks to all. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for those wonderful words. Sometimes it only takes one good song to bring happiness to us. Hence, let us enjoy the group song.
Mama, कोयली कुहू गाए सुनो पसहलो लगोरी केड़े सुनो पसहलो लगोरी केड़े कुकुरे जाए लोनी सुजला सुफल सस्या श्यामला सुजला सुफल सस्या श्यामला आमळे जन्म माटी सो ए माटी মমতাময়ী মাটি মাটি মমতাময়ী মাটি মমতাময়ী মাটি মমতাময়ী মাটি
एवं कर्णप्रिय गायन के बाद बारी है हमारे सहभागी राज्य ओडिशा की कला प्रदर्शनी का। तो चलिए अब इस रंगों से भरी प्रदर्शनी का आनंद लेते हैं।
That was one good view of Orissa's art and culture in just few minutes. Orissa is also already known for its beauty in art. Thank you all for listening and watching with so much patience and for being here most importantly. Now I would like to invite our principal sir to express his thoughts on this very special occasion.
Namaskar. Dear parents, children and my colleagues. First of all, let me congratulate you all for celebration of the Utkal Divas here in Pune, Maharashtra. Some people may be wondering why we are celebrating Utkal Divas here in Maharashtra in a school. This is the uniqueness of KVS system. Here, we celebrate national integration, Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Under this program, we are assigned to exchange our culture with a state, and this year, Orissa is our state, and we are celebrating Utkal Divas with different cultural programs and speeches and participation by a large number of students. You may be wondering why this Utkal Divas? Orissa as a state, as a linguistic state, cultural state, was identified in the year 1936. Before that, it was included under Bengal and Bihar. And this state came into existence on the 1st April 1936. Thus, then onwards, we are celebrating this Utkal Divas. Utkal. Utkal means Utkrust Kala, means it is the land of excellent culture. Basically, people in Orissa believe that it is the land of Sri Jagannath. You must have heard about the Jagannath Puri. Whenever people in the North India, they meet each other, they wish them with Ram Ram. Likewise in Orissa, it is the culture to wish their friends, especially close one, with Jai Jagannath. And it can be, we can identify them as the Jagannath culture. Orissa has its own classical dance form. You must have heard about the Odissi dance. Likewise, it has a number of folk dance culture. You must have heard about the Sambalpuri dance, Rangavati. You must have heard it is a Sambalpuri dance form. Likewise, you must have heard about the Chhau dance. In the border area between the Orissa and West Bengal, you will find this culture. And Paika dance. Likewise, many dance form you will find. It has a unique food culture also. It has a unique script of its own. And here, usually in rest part of the country, you will find that there is a belief people in Orissa are peace-loving people. And here in Pune, we are celebrating Utkal Divas. And I am fortunate that I am a part of the culture of Maharashtra and part of the culture of Orissa also. Here I am working in Maharashtra and belong to the Orissa state. And today I really feel proud that my children in Maharashtra, they are celebrating the days of Orissa, the creation day for the Orissa. And thereby they are learning a lot about this state. And this type of cultural exchange give you opportunity to learn the people. And it creates a bonding among the people. And hope this same gesture will be there in Orissa also, so that people from that state will come to know about the people of Maharashtra. At last, I will say, Bande Utkala Janani, Jai Maharashtra and Jai Hind.
नित्य वंदनीय प्राचार्य महोदय के इन प्रेरणादायी शब्दों के बाद अब जबकि हमारा कार्यक्रम उसके अंतिम चरण की ओर अग्रसर है, मैं हमारे माननीय उप प्राचार्य महोदय श्री श्याम निकुम सर से यह निवेदन करती हूँ कि वे यहाँ उपस्थित सभी अतिथियों का धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करें। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
The most respected principal Dr. A.K. Mishra sir, my dear colleagues and the dearest students and the viewers who are taking part in this program online. Today we all are celebrating Odisha State Day, which is also called as Utkal Day. I, Mr. Shyam Bharat Nikum, take this opportunity to propose vote of thanks on behalf of Kendriya Vidyalaya No. 1 Dehu Road. First of all, I extend my heartfelt thanks to our respected Principal Dr. A.K. Mishra sir for guiding us on this occasion of Utkal Day. Thank you very much, sir. I am also thankful to all my colleagues, teachers who took efforts for preparing the students, guiding the students for this function. I am also thankful to my dear students for their wonderful performances and making this program very beautiful. Thank you, dear students. I am thankful to all our viewers who spent their valuable time and who were the part of this celebration, who were with us during this celebration. Thank you, dear viewers. Once again, I thank you all and wish you a very happy Utkal Day. Thank you.